Watch carefully. This video was shot at Langley Eustis Air Force Base in Virginia. On screen, you see a U.S. F-22 stealth fighter jet being piloted by a pilot wearing sunglasses, performing a full sequence from takeoff to an aerial maneuver show. The pilot and ground crew salute and shake hands. Then the pilot climbs up the boarding ladder into the cockpit. Two ground engineers assist the pilot with pre-flight preparations. The pilot is Lieutenant Colonel Paul Lopez, call sign Madman. His nickname comes from his exceptional fitness and bold, aggressive flying style. He also commands this F-22 flight squadron and has logged over 1,500 hours, flying both F-15S and F-22S. After the pilot settles into the cockpit, the ground crew retracts the boarding ladder and places it about 5 meters to the left of the plane. The pilot quickly puts on his flight helmet, nods, and smiles, signaling an exciting maneuver show is about to begin. The startup sequence begins as the auxiliary power unit, a PU intake on the left side, opens and fires up. Then the two Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines ignite, one after the other. The pilot closes the canopy and completes the wing sweep test. The ground crew stands ready to the right front side of the cockpit as the pilot requests takeoff clearance. After receiving a hand signal, he releases the parking brake, pushes the throttle forward, and the plane slowly taxis toward the runway. The twin vectoring nozzles and large variable geometry wings at the rear give the plane a futuristic look. The two engines generate 33 tons of thrust, helping the jet quickly reach the runway starting line. Once cleared for takeoff by the control tower, the pilot throttles up to full power. The F-22 dashes down the runway at high speed, lifting off after about 150 meters. With afterburners fully engaged, the jet accelerates low over the ground, then suddenly pulls up sharply into a vertical climb, like a flying monkey soaring upward. Next, it performs a backflip maneuver, hovering midair before pushing the throttle again to dive toward the ground. The pilot demonstrates intense flying skills, suddenly slamming on the brakes to perform a quick, tight cobra turn. This series of moves tests not only the pilot's high tolerance for G-forces, but also the aircraft's structural strength. The jet levels out quickly, engines firing at full thrust to regain level flight speed. Then, with afterburners back on, it shoots a Mach ring as it climbs vertically again. The pilot launches into a combo of maneuvers, including consecutive